Coming up. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let it rain. Let me talk to you. Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
I ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy on night spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I must say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them
apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got
what I gotta do to get you home. My jeans full of guap and they ready for zones. Got a like Maybach for the sexy grown. With drone on the rock that'll make you moan.
One step, come on. Two steps, come on. Three steps, come on. Now that's 3 grand. What you think, oh man? Baby girl, I'm the man. I ain't get a rubber band.
That's when I told her her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for roll, but I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Thought it was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her like a pornography poster. She showed her.
The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got
yeah, she was worth the money. The mama took my bag, and I ain't want it. The way she fit that, got her them papers, tattoo on bubble. I had to handle it. I was on it, sexy on it, Becky showed it, made me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning, and them rose bottles foaming. She wouldn't stop, made it drop. Jordan did that poppin' lock, had to break her off that cloud. Yeah, I was fine just like a glide.
apple bottom jean boots.